lovely. So this is a kind of chill video. So right now I'm in the middle of redesigning my room, and I'm sure the vlog for this is going to come out before this video. And I have a bunch of these canvases in my room. Oh, there's tape in it. I gotta take it out. And I was thinking, these are cute. I really like these, but ever since I put it up my wall, I never really felt it. But since I spent so much money on printing it, that I just decided to keep them up there. So now I have no idea why I'm in the mood to just paint them over, and I'm really happy with this decision. Do I have any idea what I'm going to paint? No, I'm just going to put on some music and paint and see what comes to mind. So I'm going to do some structured painting because I have a bunch of these things here on my bed, as you can see. I want to do some girls drawing, some of leaves, and I'm even going to do some of just put on the music and just paint what comes to mind. That seems like a fun idea. So yeah, I have 2 more canvases somewhere, but for the life of me I cannot find them, and I don't know why my voice goes high like that. So come on an adventure. And for some reason I'm even feeling like standing up and painting. I have an easel up there for the longest while that I never use, so my easel's gonna get some use, guys. Yay! So watch me as I just chill this Sunday morning and paint. so I hope you enjoyed that painting montage that I did. But yeah, it was really fun to do. The first one I did, where is it? The first one I did, which is this one, I wasn't really happy with it. It was like so muddy and ugly, but then when I put in the believe and all the white accents, it came together and I'm really happy. I wish it was more centered, but then I was just eyeballing it and just writing freehand. So this was really cool. I love the waves. It was really fun. And yeah, and my favorite one is this one. I was just doing the strokes, but I wasn't really happy with the strokes. But there's a bunch of wow, I was an artist that I follow that do these little splatter on it. So it's like a mixed media because this is gouache and the dabs are acrylic, and I'm really happy with it. Especially white makes everything come together apparently. So I'm really happy with how this came out. My favorite. And something else that I like is, oops, sorry, oops. It's this one. So I painted it the rainbow and it didn't look finished, and I didn't really want to go with color pencils to finish it, and I was like, huh. When I was cleaning out my room, I found this glitter that I never opened, and I said, okay, let's try the glitter, and I love how this came out. It might have looked better with the tin, the fine dust one, but I'm actually happy with this one. And because I like this one, I went a little overboard with this one. I went way overboard with this one. So yeah, I'm really happy with these paints. These were like super fun, and the more I did it, the more custom it was, and I'm going to do a lot more painting like this. So guess what? I need some acrylic paint because my acrylic paints have dried out. That's what I realized, and the white is completely gone. I have to like squeeze it, like how I just squeeze the last bit of toothpaste. Also, I did this with palette knife. You guys saw it, and this was like really fun to do. Just choosing the colors to do was so fun. I just wanted to end with blue, but it had so much space that I added purple. So one thing I like about this, you can display it any which way you want to, but I want to do it this way. So I'm really happy with this. And the simplest one I think I did was this Monstera. I think that's called Monstera plant. This has color pencils outlining it, and I'm really happy with how this came out. I'm loving all these. So I bought some spray adhesive, and I'm going to put it to the frames, and then I'm going to make like a gallery wall, which I sure you guys saw in my vlog. Well, it started off as a vlog and it ended like a whole room decor. Yeah, so I hope you guys kind of like this kind of vloggy style video. I'm not going to do it like often, but this was a real fun and cool video to do, and my room is like so empty right now. It's like wow. So thank you lovely so much for watching. Which one was your favorite, and which one do you think you try? Because it's really fun. It's just I didn't have to be perfect with these paintings. I just had fun, and I was just painting, and the more I do it, the more experimental I got. And then the last one I did, which I showed you, it was my favorite. It was so fun, and they came out beautiful. Even the one I hated in the beginning, I added some white accents and boom. Yeah. So thank you lovely so much for watching. I would like to thank my Patreons, Carla Finlow, YK, Princess Auntie, Rose Rollins, and me so much for supporting my channel. And I'll see you lovelies next time. Bye.